Day 3 of Truck Week here at the car shop, and this one is built to work. 2015 Ford Super Duty F250 XLT with only 62,000 miles. 6.2 liter V8 four-wheel drive and a 10,000 pound payload package. This truck is made for real jobs. It features firm suspension, trailer wiring harness, and heavy-duty components throughout. If you need strength, reliability, and serious capability, this is it. Don't wait. Make your move today at the car shop.